Kaya yung agreement na yan, kung totoo, nasabi ko na sa mga militaryan, you should not keep anything secret when you're talking about the national security. Ang mga military nandyan talaga yan. Nandyan man si Anyo, he was my national security advisor. Advisor mo yan, Bongbong. Tanungin mo kung mayroon bang gentleman's agreement. Kung mag-insulto, inumpisahan mo eh. O tinawagan mo sana ako, di rin ka makatanggap nito. Ikaw, putang ina ka, hindi ka nakatapos hanggang second year college ka lang. Dumaan ako sa lahat ng taga-Foreign Affairs, Undersecretary Ingles, si Ambassador Terona, Diana, si David Rapos, then si Maria Sisto. Doon ako medyo kunting kaya kung sabihin, mas marunong kayo sa akin. Alam kong ginagawa ko. Diplomatic and consular procedure. Master ko po yan, dumaan ako dyan. Any question?
Okay, questions? Edith? Okay. Germelina Lacorte from Inquirer.
Mayor, I just want to know,
Mike.
sa inyong recollection po, was there a written agreement and was it binding? If you are looking into the documents, that means that there was a written agreement.
I don't, ayun.
Yes, sir. And also, sir,
Maraming agreement kaya. When you're dealing with the foreign relations, maraming agreement yan. Not only with China, but with all of the mostly Asian countries. Hindi basta-basta na lang sabihin mo na once upon a time.
about what Harry Roque, former spokesperson Harry Roque mentioned, that the agreement banned the gentleman agreement, parang what he mentioned was
Hirap ka.
walang pwedeng construction materials that can be brought to the PRP Sierra Madre and only food and water. Yun daw ang content ng agreement.
As is where is nga.
So
You cannot bring in materials to repair and improve.
okay.
Wala yan.
So totoo, Mayor,
Totoo yan.
na mayroong agreement.
No agreement. As is where is.
So bawal ang construction materials.
Well, ganun. As is where is nga. Kasi kung Sierra Madre pa lang, if allowed, matagal na na-repair yan, nakauwi na yan dito.
And is it binding sa present administration?
Well, if it's brave enough, kaya gusto ko sabi ko, nandiyan kaya yung Amerika, why don't the Philippine Navy get itong pang-ila at repair it? Or, huwag na yan. Nandiyan pa kaya ang Amerika? Occupy the islands and drive the Chinese away.
Mayor, the context of Secretary of State was given the as is where is. So the ship there will be allowed to run in time because no repair is allowed. And which the President, which Marcos says, that is very alarming because if you cannot repair it, if it will rot there, it will be destroyed, then we have nothing there.
Kaya ito sabi ko kay Marcos, stop complaining and expounding on it. Do it and repair. Yan ang sasabi ko sa kanila. I challenge them na sila man sa gobyerno ngayon, i-repair nila at gumawa sila doon ng mga bahay-bahay kung saan. If they are really ready for that. Gawain na nila ngayon gusto nilang gawin. I-patrol na nila yung Philippine Navy, the gray ships, and let us see what happens. Tapos na kami. Kung sabihin ni Marcos, all of you past presidents were failures. You didn't do anything about Sierra Madre. Mr. President, I am challenging you to go to Alonan with the other ships and repair it. Yan ang dapat. Following yun. Subukan nila. Kami takot. Ayaw namin ng gera. Kung sa kanya, hindi ba kagira pagkos andyan yung Navy, di gawain mo. You have the ironclad guarantee of the Navy that they will, U.S. Navy, that they will all die for the peace.
Are we saying that the recent maritime cooperation exercise is just a show of force, and even if Japan, Australia, Philippines, and the United States will collaborate to repair this Sierra Madre, still it's an exercise in futility?
Would you take that risk? Go ahead. Bring in Japan and the rest of the ASEAN countries and let us see what happens.
Are you saying there will be a bloodshed?
See what?
There will be a bloodshed. War.
Oh, wala akong sinabi. Sinabi ko lang subukan nila and see what happens.
The way you listened to President Xi during your meeting, he said you can do this because there will be this possible war.
One more time. Nandyan kami lahat.
What was it?
Do not do it because there will be trouble. It was heard by all.
So it was a stern warning from China.
Well, that was the reply. Which warning? Well, ikaw na ba na?